guys, so welcome back to another 40 bags in 40 days. So welcome back. I'm really glad that you've stopped by. So I will be cleaning up our kind of office library area. So it's pretty, like I said, pretty messy. So I'm going to be getting rid of a lot of stuff in here by donation or recycling, which I'm not counting, of course. The recycling and trash. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's get started. So here's the kind of the office area. This goes down to the stairs. There's our bedroom and our bathroom. So I'll be working on this today. As you can see, I have a lot of stuff to do today, which is good because this room needs to be cleaned up. And that door there goes up to the attic. So anyway, I'll be working on this room today and getting rid of a whole bunch of stuff. So I will see you guys a little later. Hi guys, so it's the next day. I'm still working in my the office room, and I thought I'd hear while I'm getting rid of stuff. I think I'd talk to you guys a little bit. So like I said in the previous video, that I'm kind of overwhelmed right now. I'm not giving up because this needs to happen. I'm really overwhelmed right now. It's bringing me going through stuff, getting rid of stuff, throwing stuff away, is actually putting me kind of like an anxiety, anxiety thing. That's the best way to describe it. Like I said in one of the first video, that I do have some hoarding tendencies. Yeah, pretty much it. The reason why I say that is it's kind of hard sometimes for me to get rid of stuff. It's really hard for me to get rid of stuff, like I find something that I really like and I can't imagine my life without it, kind of thing. Even if it's something like this, I have 3 of these, but I don't want to get rid of one because what if I lose this one, kind of thing. It just doesn't make any sense, How you can attach something, it's a sentimental value to something like this, and this is a nail file too, just to let you know, or shoes. I don't wear heels anymore, but I like these shoes, so I'm gonna keep them. But because I don't wear heels that often, but yeah, that's not a pretty good example. But I'm just overwhelmed right now. This is a lot to do. I know I needed a challenge. I'm glad I'm recording all this, because if I wasn't, I'd probably throw my hands up already and say, nope, I'm not doing this. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep pushing through, because in the long run, it'll be great. I'm already, like I said, other than the anxiety, I'm starting to feel kind of more relaxed. The cleaner the house gets, which is a good thing too, because yeah, anxiety comes from all the stuff, and then the stuff causes the anxiety, and getting rid of the stuff causes anxiety, and then having the stuff causes anxiety. So yeah, it's just a mess right now, but I'm still surviving. I'm still pushing through. I got another bag of stuff to go to the donation, and then 2 bags of trash all total. Sorry, 2.5 bags of trash all total. And like I said, I'm sorry, I feel like I'm throwing a lot of trash away, but yeah, there's some stuff that you can't recycle that you need to throw away, so that's what I'm doing right now. Like I said, other than the anxiety and stuff, I'm feeling pretty good. I like seeing the end result, like I said. But yeah, I need to just keep pushing through and going through stuff, and yeah, a whole bunch of stuff like that. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to show you guys the next clip after this is a shot of everything's done except for the bookcases. Of course, I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just focused on the big stuff right now. So when I'm finally done with this room, which will be the next another hour probably, I will show you guys a clip of it, and hope you guys stay tuned for that. And I'll get back to cleaning, and I'll see you guys later. So here's the office, almost all cleaned up. I'm not going to be cleaning up this right now. I'll save it for another day. But I have 4 bags of trash all total for this room. And then a bag of stuff to get rid of. And 2 bags of recycling. So I'm pretty happy about this. This feels really great. I know I was struggling a little bit earlier, but this feels amazing. I'm so happy with myself. So yeah. Okay guys, so I am done for right now. You can see the room looks pretty good. I'm really happy with the progress. I was feeling really overwhelmed there earlier today, if you guys can understand that. It's a lot to deal with. So I will be taking some stuff up to the dump, some trash and stuff up to the dump tomorrow, so I'll be getting rid of all the trash. And like I said, I'm not done 100% in this room, but I'm done for right now. I'll be working on the bookcases in a couple days. I'm just going to be focusing right now on just the bulk of the stuff. So I'm pretty happy with myself. I had a good day today getting rid of stuff. And yep, so I counted all the bags up. So now I said I wouldn't be counting the recycling, but I changed my mind on that. I'm actually going to be counting the recycling as a bag. So right now I'm on day number, technically on day number 14, but I take a couple days off for stuff. So yeah, I'm technically on day 14. I think I'm caught up pretty good. I've had 22 bags of stuff go out of here, whether it be trash, recycling, and stuff to donate. I'll be posting all the numbers right here. So that's how much stuff I've gotten rid of in 14 days. And I'm not done yet. I am not done yet. I still have the spare bedroom and our bedroom to do. And then also the attic, the attic is going to take the most. I'll probably end up going over the 40 days, which is fine with me. So if you like that idea, please hit the like button. If you want to see more of me decluttering my life. So yeah, those 2 bedrooms will probably be done this week, hopefully. And then the attic. And then in the attic, and then just straightening up stuff, going through the bookcases, you know, going through towels and, you know, declutter stuff. So that's what my plans is. So anyway, if you like this video, please hit the like button and also the bell to get notifications whenever I upload videos. Also, don't forget to share with your friends. And if you have any questions or comments or anything like that, please post them below the video. And I want to say too, also no negative comments. I don't need to be drugged down because, yeah, I know it's a lot of stuff. That seems like a lot of stuff I'm throwing away. So I feel like I'm throwing a lot of trash away, but it needs to happen. So anyway, no negative comments. But if you do have a comment, please post it below the video. And yep, I will see you guys probably later this week for another video. I'll see you guys later. Bye.